Can you make sure no one touches our bikes?
Yeah.
You got us? Thank you.
Bro. Are you famous? Are you a helmet TikToker? I think I know you from TikTok. Are you Miranda Rides? Dude, you're the only thing that's like.
Excuse me, you want one of these?
I would love one. Thank you.
You want one?
Of course. Thank you.
Thank you. We're looking at the fireworks. I want to get a picture. Oh, I'm definitely asking. I am so asking, bro. We're not going? I want to turn around. I'm gonna ask first, because what if they're busy? I'm scared. Hi. Good. I had a question. Can I please take a picture with you guys?
Of us?
Like with all of us?
I don't care. That's fine.
That's okay? Thank you. You said I can. I'm just gonna do it like this. Hold on, I'm gonna picture your bike.